here at Stumphole Landing. I took a lot of footage in the summertime, but I believe that Stumphole Landing deserves a little bit more than just drone shots. I'm going to show you all the dock and stuff like that, but just so you know, it is wintertime now. The water's low and it's nasty, so you might get a lot of wind chop and stuff on my microphone, but let's go have a look at it and I'll show you what it looks like. That way you can see it in the summer and the winter. Stumphole Landing's pretty cool. All right, here we are at Stumphole Landing. As you can see behind me, you got the whole parking lot to yourself because, of course, it's wintertime. And there's not a lot of people out here right now because it's chilly. But here, let's go have a look at this place. So as you can see, we're out here at Stumphole Landing. It's windy. We just had a winter storm go by. It's January, and it is cold. Not a lot of people out fishing today, but as you can see, the water is low. So this is how you're going to expect it a lot of times in January. So just be aware. They don't call Stumphole Landing for nothing. Be careful. Know where you're going. Know where the channel is. Stay in the channel. If you haven't been there before, don't rip it flat out, you know. Have a look at this ramp. Hey, and if y'all have any comments about putting your boats in or what to look out for in here, put it down in the comments. Warn people, let them know so they aren't leaving a boat motor foot in some local stump here. Guys, it's a little chilly. I'm gonna head on back, but this is Stumphole Landing. If you haven't put in here, you got to, because the fishing's great. Alright, so it just didn't feel right of me to talk about Stumphole Landing and not also mention Stumphole Campground and Restaurant and Grill. So I wanted to at least give a shout out to another local place here. This is Stumphole Landing Restaurant. If you're down there and putting in your boat and you get a little hungry, come on over here and get something to eat. And remember, they're closed on Mondays. As you can see, the water is down. It is winter time, and it's a little lower than usual right now because they were getting ready for that storm, so they were dropping it. But that's a pretty good place right up there. If you haven't tried it, come check them out. Hey guys, and if you come down here to Stumphole, if you've driven a long ways, you come from Charleston or Columbia, and you get to Stumphole and everything's taken and you don't know where to put your boat in, Stumphole Landing Campground, or I'm sorry, Stumphole Campground has also got their own little launch. $5 you can put in right here, okay? Get out there and fish.